you if you need me to, but... Alright, get out and come in the other way. Go on. Go on, back that way. If you want to get in it, come in this way. Right, now try. Monkey. Is that better? You can do it if that's what you want to do.
Go on, you can do it, Mr. Buggy. You can do it. Oh, come on. You can do it, Mr. Bug.
No, now he's like acting out.